Good morning students. Exercise 6.3, question number 4. If lines PQ and RS intersect at point T such that angle PRT equal to 40 degree, angle RPT equal to 95 degree, and angle TSQ equal to 75 degree, find angle SQT. So, first figure P R T S 95 degree, 40 degree. Angle PRT 40, angle RPT 95 degree, angle TSQ 75 degree. Now find SQT. So see solution. In triangle PRT, sum of angles is 180 degree. So angle P plus angle R plus angle PTR equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles in a triangle, angle P 95 degree plus 40 degree plus angle PTR 180 degree. Now add this to 135 degree plus angle PTR equal to 180 degree. So angle PTR equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. Now subtract it, which is equal to 45 degree. Now angle PTR you got 45 degree. So this angle STQ is vertically opposite angle. Angle PTR equal to angle STQ vertically opposite angles. So angle PTR 45 degree, therefore angle STQ equal to 45 degree. So got that value. So in triangle QST, angle S plus angle SQT plus angle STQ equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles in a triangle, angle S given, that is 75 degree, plus angle SQT which you have to find, plus angle STQ which you got, that is 45 degree right here, equal to 180 degree. Now Now angle SQT equal to 180 degree. Now add these two angles, 75 degree plus 45 degree, which is equal to 120 degree. So now take this one on right hand side, so it becomes minus, so minus 120 degree. Now subtract 120 degree from 180 degree, it is equal to 60 degree. So this is the answer. Value of angle SQT equal to 60 degree. If PQ perpendicular on PS, PQ parallel to SR, angle SQR equal to 28 degree, angle QRT equal to 65 degree, then find the values of X and Y. So see the figure. P S Q R T. This one perpendicular, that's why angle is 90 degree. This one 28 degree, Y and X. So PQ perpendicular on PS, this way 90. PQ parallel to SR. Now see the solution. So in triangle PQ parallel to, this one is parallel of SR, and QR is a transversal line, therefore angle PQR equal to angle QRT. Reason: alternate angles. Angle PQR, that is X plus 28 degree, angle QRT, that is given 65 degree, so equal to 65 degree. So X equal to 65 degree minus 28 degree. Now subtract it, it gives you 37 degree. So angle X equal to 37 degree. Now in triangle PQS, angle P plus angle PQS plus angle PSQ equal to 180 degree. Reason: sum of angles in a triangle. Angle P, as it is perpendicular on that one, so this angle is 90 degree. So 90 degree plus angle PQS X plus angle PSQ, that is Y, equal to 180 degree. So 90 degree plus, got the value of X here, that is 37 degree. Write that one, 37 degree plus Y equal to 180 degree. Now first to add these two, 90 degree plus 37 degree, which is equal to 127 degree, plus Y equal to 180 degree. So Y equal to 180 degree minus 127 degree. Now subtract 127 degree from 180 degree, which is equal to 53 degree. So X, as you have to find the values of X and Y, X is 37 degree, first answer, Y is 53 degree, second answer. Question number 6. The side QR of triangle PQR is produced to point S if the bisectors of angle PQR and angle PRS meet at point T, then prove that angle QTR equal to 1 by 2 angle QPR. Now P Q R S T. Side QR produce up to S bisectors of PQR, that is TQ, and bisector of PRS, that is TR, meet at point T. Then you have to prove this one. So see solution. Angle PRS equal to angle P plus angle PQS by exterior angle property of a triangle. PRS is the exterior angle of triangle PQR. So in exterior angle property, that is extra angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So interior opposite angles of this extra angle is angle P and angle PQS. So that is written 1 by 2 angle PRS equal to 1 by 2 angle P plus 1 by 2 angle PQS dividing both sides by 2. Now angle half of PRS, that is angle TRS equal to 1 by 2 angle P plus 1 by 2 angle PQS. Write that one, Roman 1. Now triangle TRS equal to angle T plus angle TQS by exterior angle property of a triangle. TRS, that is exterior angle, is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle, that is angle T and angle TQS. So angle TRS equal to angle T plus TQS. So TQS is half of angle Q. That angle is half of angle Q because TQ is the bisector of that angle. So write that one, Roman 2. So from 1 and 2, half angle P plus half angle PQS equal to angle T plus half angle Q. Angle PQS and angle Q both are same, so cancel it. So half angle P equal to angle T. So P means Q, P R. So 1 by 2 angle Q P R equal to angle T means Q T R. So angle Q T R. So QTR equal to half angle QPR. Let's change it. Angle QTR equal to 1 by 2 angle QPR, which we have to prove that one. So got it right here.